Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to scan documents to iPhone. First, open the Notes application on your device. You can easily find it by swiping down and typing Notes into the search bar, making it super accessible. This built-in feature is incredibly convenient, turning your phone into a powerful portable scanner. Tap on a new note or an existing one to begin the process. It's a quick way to digitize important papers. After tapping the camera icon, choose Scan Documents from the menu that appears. Now, hold your iPhone steadily over the document. Ensure there is good, even lighting and avoid shadows falling directly on the paper. The intelligent scanner will automatically detect the document's boundaries, outlining it in yellow, and often takes the picture for you. If it doesn't auto-capture, simply press the shutter button. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a preview of your document. Drag the corner handles to precisely crop the image, removing any unwanted background areas. You can also tap the filter icon to change the scan's appearance. Options like grayscale or black and white significantly improve text clarity. Rotate the image if needed, ensuring perfect alignment before moving on. These adjustments make your digital document look polished and professional. After making all your adjustments, tap Keep Scan at the bottom right. You can continue scanning additional pages if your document is multi-sided, adding them all to the same note. When you are finished, tap Save in the top right corner. Your scan document will then appear as a PDF within your note, ready for sharing. You can share it via email, messaging apps, or save it directly to your Files app for easy access later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.